cuties, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to do a simple birthday makeup look. So let's get started. Okay, I already done my eyebrows and I already primed and moisturized. So now we're going to get into eyeshadow. And first, prime your eyes. I used the P. Louise base, so we're going to do that. Let me find the brush. You don't really need that much of this, it's really thick. Then I'm gonna blend it out. Okay, and then we're going to use the James Charles palette. We're going to use this color right here. And make sure you blend really good, because the key is to blend, blend, blend. And if you need to add more, then you can, but don't add too much the first time, because it will just end up a mess. So you can just keep packing it on. And then I'm going to go into the Jaclyn Hill palette, and we're going to use this color right here. And then we're going to use a pop of color. We're going to go back to the James Charles palette and use this color right here. Just to add a little bit of pop of color. Okay, now that's nice and blended out. Now I'm going to go over it with some white eyeshadow. And I'm going to use my finger for it, because I feel like it works better with my finger than brushes. And it's in the James Charles palette. And it's best to pack it on so you can see the white better. Okay. Now we're going to use the Stila glitter. Let me find the brush for that. Okay. Then you just pack it on. I feel like the glitter pops more with the white underneath it. I did my other eye off camera and I did my wings. So next is eyelashes. So we're going to use these. And then this is the glue that I use. You can use tweezers or you use for eyelashes too. It doesn't matter, whatever you have. And then if they need cut, then you can cut them. Now they're done drying, so you just apply it. I prefer to use my fingers. That's what works best for me. We're going to get into the face. I'm using the NARS foundation. This is actually new to me. I'm trying it out. And I'm using a beauty blender. Make sure it's blended out really good. And now I'm using the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. And this is in Fair. You don't need that much of this. Then I'm going back in with my beauty blender. I'm so sorry that it's dirty. I need to clean it again. It gets dirty so fast. And then if you accidentally put foundation over your wing, you can just go over it and fix it with concealer. Next I'm using this face powder. You can set it all over your face if you want to, or just in the places you need. I don't set it all over my face because my face is very dry. So I just set it in the places I need it. And now we're going to get into bronzer. I use the Huda Beauty make sure you don't get a lot of it, because you can go crazy with bronzer. Now I'm using the NARS blush. Now I'm going in with this highlighter. I'm going to use the lightest one. You guys can use whatever highlighter that works for you. I'm just very pale. Add any color in the inner corner of your eye. I'm going to use the James Charles palette for it, and I'm going to use this one and this one. You can use your finger or a brush. I'm probably just going to use my finger. And you can get it wet if you want to. You can spray it with this or any setting spray that you have. It would work fine. And now I'm going to set it with this. Okay, thank you guys for watching.